My name is Rafal and I'm completing my PhD at the University of Toronto in medical biophysics. My data incubator Capstone project is entitled Data Work, and it aims to inform all data scientists about the current state of the job market, as well as those that are looking to employ them. It aims to better inform individuals about what skills they should be training and what the value of the current skills that they have is, as well as the geographic locations that they should be seeking work. For those that are looking to employ data scientists, it gives them a better idea of what job titles they should actually be posting their job postings under, as well as how many individuals there are out there that are looking for work.
The application works in a pretty simple fashion. You can simply upload your resume by clicking the upload button. This can work for both resumes or job postings. The application is meant to work for both the job seekers that are looking for current work, as well as companies looking to post positions, to best inform them about what salary ranges they should be expecting, what skills levels determine which type of job. So now that the resume has been uploaded, it automatically gets parsed with key information such as skills and experience level and education being extracted from it. In total, 63,000 job postings were scraped in order to create the data set that trained all the models. That represents about 9.1 gigabytes of sanitized data, and in total over 100,000 websites were crawled to get this information. So there are several metrics we're going to look at. The first one is going to be job title definition. This is particularly important for companies posting job ads, since it is often the case that job postings for data scientists are misidentified as other ones such as statisticians, or conversely, job postings for fields such as data analysts get misidentified as data scientists. Next thing we're going to look at is compensation. So how much can an individual get for their skill set, or conversely, how much is a job posting actually worth and compared to the rest of the market. And finally, skill demand. So which skills are most sought after and which skills will make a candidate most marketable. So looking at the job title predictions, this is done for the resume at hand, and we can see that this person falls in mostly to data scientist and statistician categories with 83 and 71% respectively. This is not surprising since they're closely related. This was generated based on a naive Bayes model doing one versus all training. So this 83 represents what is the likelihood that the person is a data scientist versus anything else. And you can see that even though the data scientist statistician fields are quite probable, the other ones are not very likely. Moving on to compensation, this person can expect a salary of $123,500, and this was predicted using a cross-validated Ridge model. And you can see that this falls in quite on a higher range of things, and that's not surprising since statisticians and data scientists are in the higher range of those skills that actually in terms of earning potential. Moving on, you can see also that job skill demand. So this is looking at which skills will make this person more marketable by offering more jobs that are currently on the market to them. And you can see that even though this person already has Python and R trained, those are the largest contributors to their marketability, so each one representing over 1,000 jobs. And versus things like Zookeeper and MapReduce, where they're not as popular, will not generate as much of a potential for jobs for them. Moving on to compensation again. So this is now looking at a breakdown which skills actually generate the largest bump on their income. So this could be both skills that they have trained or skills that they should be training. But here you see that MapReduce, even though previously not popular, now actually does generate quite a large income potential of over $15,000 on top of the average salary. And we can go all the way down to things like SQL, which represent only a several $100 bump. And based on these two last plots, we know that this person should definitely be training things such as R and Python, which they already have, since they provide a large number of job openings, as well as some bump in their salary. But in this person's case, they did not have Hadoop trained, and you can see that Hadoop not only gives a very modest bump of $6,000, it also represents a fairly large number of jobs that would open up to this individual. Thank you very much for listening, and I will happily answer any questions that you may have.
Thank you very much for watching, and I hope If you're interested, you will check out my project at the link listed below.